Are you all scared? Okay, now we are moving on to our final round, and that is called as dancing to the toes. Okay, it's going to be very fun. No need to be worried or something. You're going to have fun. I'm telling you all. Are you all ready for it?
So far we're having fun, but I'm not sure what the segment is.
Don't
gonna
worry.
be.
Let's go ahead. Okay.
Oh.
All right. So are you all ready to start the game?
Yes.
First thing, you need to pick up the treat. Okay. So I ask both of you all to kindly rise and just come up on my platform here. Okay. Who's going to go first? Amod? Okay. What it
Kazu
is?
Mado.
Okay. Jada no question madada.
Over.
Okay, you need a help from Merlin or something?
Merlin, yes.
Okay.
Merlin.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1. Here we start. That is the way to start.
Shake ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಕಳ್ಳಿ.
You dogs are ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ. Alright. Okay. Bas. Done. It's done. Well, can you ಮಾಡೋಪ್ಪ ಗೆಲ್ಲೋದು?
ನಾ.
Okay, next.
ಆತ ಓದ್ಲೋ ಬಿಡು.
Are you ready?
Now I'm just thinking, what am I going to get? Okay, fishing with fishing rod.
Okay, can you flash it? Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Fishing with the fishing rod.
Here's a fish.
Okay.
What am I supposed to do?
Do a step and then you start fishing.
Okay, that's it.
How you move by fishing?
Reels go, reels.
Reels it is, reels.
You remember your reels?
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. That's your rod.
Yeah, that's a rod. That's a fish thing.
How you move with the rod? Tell me.
Like this only, no? That's it, right? And then you do this. Yeah, this.
Okay, there is a face movement
Yeah,
that you should.
The fish.
Okay, done. Well played. Alright, next, let's see. Amod?
Kaddi.
No.
Yes, I do.
परत काजू किने शेत रोवपाचें.
Wow, always you are getting it. Done?
Ready.
शेत रोवपाचें. समज हे शेत तू.
हय.
Okay?
नाल्यार कसो
सकयल
रोवचें?
शेत आहा, तू रोय.
हां.
Okay? Merlin can join him, yeah. Okay. Start.
Fine.
Merlin, can you join him?
Merlin, live.
And then feel you.
Yes, cool like that.
Okay, I put it like and I'm doing this. That's it.
Done. No. शेत रोयले रोकडे वाटपाचे आता. Okay. Next.
My turn now.
What is it?
Crying for funeral.
Okay, can you flash it to the camera?
Yeah, this one, right?
You ready? You need to cry for a funeral now. You need to start your acting. Your
Yeah.
director is over there.
Yes.
Okay, he's gonna direct you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Start. Are you seriously crying? Let me show me your eyes. Alright, last and the final chit now. And this is both of you have to do it. You have a partner, don't worry. Ready? Okay. Thinking what is there now, I think.
Hope it's not crying and not. Boxing dance.
Boxing dance.
The boxing dance. Alright, now this is a boxing dance. Okay? How do you all do boxing? Amon knows it better, I think. Boxing?
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
it. That's
Konarak karpa jao.
That's what he's
Okay.
going to do that.
Okay, come on, start. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is the final round. Start.
Korean mercy, huh?
Okay, that's it.
That is
Box
called a
ready dance
boxing
kar tumhara.
Ever done this before? This boxing dance?
No. This is like first time and I don't know what
Okay,
I'm doing.
well played. Done. It's done now. You can relax. Okay. Okay. Done. Thank you so much for playing this round and all my rounds very well, and for being so patient with me. Thank you so much.